Hi, I am Charlotte Green. This is part of the lesson plan for kindergarten science, titled, Where's My Turtle? Here is a small box turtle. It is a living organism because it breathes air, excretes, which means it goes to the restroom, and it reproduces, means it may have children. A box turtle is a small and living thing, so we must be careful while taking care of the turtle. But turtles carry germs, and we must wash our hands every time we handle the turtle, or its cage, or any of its belongings. How do we know the turtle is alive? The turtle eats, goes to the restroom, breathes air, and it can move on its own. I am going to pass the turtle around so everyone who would like can observe and carefully play with it. Now that everyone has had a chance to touch and play with the turtle, here is the turtle's rock. Notice the similarities. They are the same size, shape, and color, but they are very different in many ways. Now I will pass the rock around and give you a chance to observe and touch the rock. Is the rock alive or non-living? Why do you think the rock is non-living? Does it breathe air? Does it go to the restroom? The characteristics of a living organism: it can move, grow, and it breathes air. The characteristics of a non-living organism is lifeless, inanimate. It cannot move and it cannot breathe. Now we'll give you some information on turtles. Box turtles are land-based, meaning they do not swim. Box turtles take their name from the shape of their shell. A box turtle shell looks like a dome-shaped box. These types of tortoises grow to be about 6 inches long. Box turtles are omnivores. They eat a little bit of everything. They like a diet that includes uncooked plant material and uncooked raw animal material. Bits of shredded lettuce and spinach, leaves and strawberries make healthy tidbits for turtles. Box turtles also thrive on bugs and live crickets, turtle pellets and chopped up earthworms, and chopped up feeder fish frequently found at pet food stores. A young turtle eats a portion of food equivalent to the size of its head, once a day or once every other day. Remove any leftover food after about 5 minutes of feeding so the excess food does not rot and make the habitat stink. It is wise to have a separate feeding habitat for the turtle to feed, so it ensures that its regular habitat, the one he sleeps in and lives in, stays nice and clean. Do not feed the box turtle table scraps. Table scraps can contain spices, sugars, oils, and preservatives, which are very harmful to a turtle. Turtles can harbor salmonella bacteria, a serious hazard to the young, the elderly, or anyone with a compromised immune system. Proper hand washing will decrease the chances of contamination. Turtles can be fun and interesting pets when handled correctly. Now here's a little poem about turtles by Rachel Lindsay. There was a little turtle, he lived in a box. He swam in a puddle and he climbed on the rocks. He snapped at a mosquito and he snapped at a flea. He snapped at a minnow and he snapped at me. He caught the mosquito, he caught the flea, he caught the minnow, but he didn't catch me. Thank you.